Hello friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. If you are pregnant first time, there would be several questions in your mind about the delivery. So many curiosities, so many questions and lots of fear about going to the delivery room is a very common thing if you are making this happen first time. In this video, I will share you some tips that if you know prior to going to the delivery room will help you out immensely in boosting up your confidence and courage. So let's start the video. The number one thing is do not be shy. That is, you have to leave your shyness when you are entering the delivery room. During the delivery, there are doctors, medical staff, nurses. They could be males or females. During the delivery process, you are just wearing the delivery gown and nothing else. And the doctors would be looking into your private parts to understand the situation of the baby. Baby has to come out from the vagina, and you should make your mind that this is a normal process for every woman, and every woman go through this process only. Number second is to include your family member. Most of the hospital will allow one or two family members to get into the delivery room. If possible, do include your husband and someone who can boost up your confidence. Maybe a female would be a better option who had already undergone this procedure, that is the normal delivery. So during your delivery, you can look up to her to boost up your confidence that if she can do, you can also do it. The presence of your husband is very much important for your emotional support as well as to take any kind of the important decisions if there is any need to be taken in the delivery room. The presence of family member will give you immense courage. Your physical pain cannot be lowered down, but definitely your family members are a great emotional backup to you. Number third is about the delivery pain. Now, delivery pain is something that you should be making your mind ready with. You have to make yourself mentally strong. This pain can be for some time, up to some hours. During this time, you have to breathe out and keep pushing downwards, and do not breathe in with much force. The more you will breathe out, applying the force to push out the baby out, this process will be easy and sooner the baby will be delivered. Last but it is not the least, and I would say the most important, is to focus on your baby. During the whole process, you will have to focus on the well-being of your baby. It will lessen your most of the pain. A mother bears not just the pain in these 9 months of the pregnancy, but it is just a start. Bringing up the baby is also not an easy task. Woman is so powerful to do any difficult task. Remain positive, be strong, and take the pain with courage for your family. Think about how would you feel when your cute baby will be in your arms just after few time from now. Take it as a mission and just do it. You are just doing everything for your family. You are a strong woman just like your mother. Have confidence and courage and just think about the colorful world that is waiting for you after this pain. If you will focus more on the baby and about the baby's well-being, try to imagine how the baby is feeling when the baby is coming out. You have to ease out the baby. You have to take this pain and make this happen positively. So friend, these are few of the tips that you need to follow when you are going for the normal delivery. This will definitely help to boost up your confidence, your courage, and somehow it will help you in ease out your pain. If you like this information, do show the gesture by pressing the like button. If you're coming to the channel first time, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, then turn on the notification bell and then select all to never miss any updates from Health Tricks and Tips in English. We'll catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.